Many people ask me what a guardianship process is and what the cost is for doing guardianship. Well, let's first talk about what guardianship is and why it's necessary. The reason why guardianship is necessary is because there's no power of attorney in place. There are two types of powers of attorney. There's a financial power of attorney that deals with stuff, the ability to pay bills on behalf of a person, and there is a healthcare power of attorney. That particular power of attorney is the ability of the agent to talk with the medical providers, to talk with the doctors, make healthcare decisions on behalf of the person who is incompetent. When you don't have a power of attorney in place, either the financial or the healthcare, and the person can no longer make decisions on their own, they are incompetent or incapacitated, then in that scenario, your only recourse is to pursue guardianship, because somebody has to be legally authorized to make those decisions. The guardianship process entails going to court. You have to sue your loved one and declare them incompetent and have the court appoint a guardian, the person who will deal with their finances or deal with their health care decisions. The process is not very simple, and unfortunately the court may decide that who is being appointed guardian may not even be a family member. It may be a disinterested third party. So the outcome is not necessarily what the family will want. Let's talk about cost, because the cost, in addition to emotional distress and the situation that you're going through, and potentially maybe even family dysfunction because nobody's agreeing to who is going to be named guardian, the economic costs of doing guardianship can stretch into the thousands of dollars. So it's definitely a good idea not to have to go through guardianship, but to have good powers of attorney in place to avoid that kind of cost and that kind of process that the family would have to go through otherwise.